Hello, everyone. Today's March 24th. No, it's not. It's March 23rd, 2024. And it is such a rainy day out, so me and Levon have decided to do a few challenges. Levon's going to do a backflip for real. And I am going to do as many pull-ups as I can in one set. Like, I've been doing 15 pull-ups for the last almost 4 months, every day of my life, minus the weekends. And we don't even know how many I can do at once. Like, how many can I do? Is it 15? Is it 18? Is it 20? We don't even know. So today we're going to get right down to it. All right, let's go.
Just go. Got this.
That's 15. Okay, ready?
You did that so fast. 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, 20.
You think I can do one more?
Maybe. 21's my favorite number, so.
Oh!
Did you get it?
I don't know.